put on safe and it nosed in. That was bad. I love my little airplane, man. That ain't good for it. Oh, mashed the nose in pretty good. That's going to require some surgery. Damn it. No, note to self, don't flip safe on while you're in the, oh man, it fucking
Boinked.
wing too. Rats.
Telemetry lost.
Rats. Well,
4 minutes.
dang it. This one, yeah, this one's gonna be on the road and it's crunched up pretty good. So, I'll have to figure out how to put this one back together. It may just have to look ugly. Well, rats. So flipping it into safe caused it to drill into the tarmac. That's ungood. Alrighty. Back in a flash.